guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with it. I am back from my cave, from my bubble. I'm back from giving birth. It has been a minute. I miss you all. Like, thank you guys so much for those that have been commenting and supporting and liking. And yeah, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, put your notifications on, because I'm coming with it, with the newborn at that. I stumbled upon this brow tint with Ardell, and you guys gotta check it out. I'm sure it's probably sold at like any like pharmacy kind of store, like Walgreens, CVS, places like that. If you don't have them by you, just go ahead and like go online or whatever. I did my Instacart because my sister couldn't leave the house at the time. But yeah, I stumbled upon it and I was just like, wow, like I want to try this, because I've tried Bigen, or whatever you call it, Bigen, however you pronounce it. Let me know in the comments like how you pronounce it for real, because I tried that before. And if you are an OG, like you've been on this channel since it started, then you know that I started with the Bigen, and that backfired like completely. Bigen played me. I have seen people on TikTok like actually like successful with it, and that's fine, that worked for them, but it did not work for me. I don't know what it was. I don't know. But anyways, I'm here with you to show you how this works. I have used this already a couple of times, and I've noticed like a I've noticed like a small difference. And yeah, like it's been, my signature since then. I am just talking, I am just doing whatever you want to do. Let me get right into this video. So guys, all right, so I have all my tools that I need to do this kind of video. If you do not like shape your brows yourself, I suggest going to your whoever does your brows, go to them first to shape your brows first, because that's gonna make or break this tint, if that makes sense. Because it's like, yeah, I mean, I don't know, if you like the hairy look, be my guest, sis. But sister right here, I do my own. So you're gonna need this. I kind of pre-shaped it already this past weekend, so I don't think there's gonna be much to shape for real. And then you need like, what do you call these? Angle brush, I guess. Angle brush. So yeah, this is dirty, but yeah, it's been used a couple times. That, and I'm gonna use a pro concealer this time. I have done, believe it or not, guys, I have done this particular product. I've used this particular product a couple times already. I have tried different ways of doing it, but this is my first time trying this way, so we're gonna see how it goes with the concealer. I have never used concealer with this, so I don't know. Like, I don't know. It may look different. It may not. I'm just gonna wipe my brows off. But yeah, I would say they last about a week or so. So if you're looking for something like long term, this is not it for you. I'm gonna have to forward you to a PMU specialist. Okay, you know what PMU is? Go look it up and then come back to this video. Just kidding. No, you need a permanent makeup artist for real, like if you really want it to be permanent. But this is just like, I don't know, like a affordable way of doing it. And it's not to put my PMU artists out of work, because I respect their work. I actually have a friend of I have a couple of people that I know of, and a friend that is a PMU artist. And yes, I respect y'all's work. Y'all work is gold. But I'm speaking to the people who are still in the pandemic, and gas is up, and well, gas is down actually a lot. But when I was pregnant, it was up. But anyway, I speak to the people in the back who don't got a lot of coins. This is for you, okay? So yeah, so in the box, it comes with this, what is it? I think it's a developer. And then it comes with a tint powder. And it comes in this pack. It's crazy how I contain this packaging. Like, call me a perfectionist or what, but yeah. And it has the instructions, which we're not gonna go into for real, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix my the concoction for the simple fact that I do not want I want it to sit a little, almost like when you do hair dye. Like, I don't know, I like to let it sit. Like when I used to do my wigs, I like to let it sit a little so that way I could go ahead and by the time I'm ready to put it on, it's like ready. So it calls for three, it's like a ratio from a drop of this and 3 like shakes of this. So I'm gonna do double of that, and I actually like to add a little bit more because like I like my eyebrows like dark, like it just makes my face like, you know, pop more. So that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna film this if y'all want to like me to show you, but yeah, that one. I'm gonna go ahead and do it again. 1, 2, 1, 2. Like I go in. I'm gonna do one more. And if you are a PNU and you want to come up in here and tell me I'm doing something wrong, I don't care. It's my face, okay? It's my face. Let me do what I want to my face. And also, I would disclaimer. Make sure you test an area of your skin before you try this, because I don't want nobody coming for me talking about, sis, you said to do. No, sis, it's common sense. Like, test the area of your skin first, and then like for 24, I think it's 24, 48 hours. Oh boy, it's my boy. Hold on. But yeah, I don't know if this is exactly enough for what I need to do today, but I'm gonna go ahead and add just like another drop because that's not enough for me. All right, so something like this. We're gonna move right into it. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and try concealer this time. I'm just gonna go in and do the top. And like basically this will serve like as a guide to let me know like the area that won't be like so. So it should look basically like this, and we're gonna go ahead and start applying. So right now, like I said before, it's like way darker than usual. So it's like now to me, it's ready to be applied. So I'm gonna show you how the color looks now. Slightly a lot darker than before. So I feel like it's ready. All right, I'm gonna go with my applicator. It does come with a spoolie for itself. I'm gonna use that last, and then apply that. And yeah, let's go from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this. I'm gonna start with the back, guys. First, and just basically apply it like I would like Anastasia or any like brow powder I have. Just apply it just like that, like you're legit filling in your brows. All right, I'm done with this side one. I hope I'm like letting y'all see this correctly. If you don't see anything, you're gonna see this one for sure. Okay. All right, so now I have just this little amount left. That's when I'm gonna go in with the spoolie and like go back in and let it go through the hairs. But I'm literally, I normally let this stay for about like 20 minutes. Shoot, I should let it stay for 30 minutes today. Yeah, this is how we're looking. All right, so that's that. I know it looks crazy right now, but this is what we're looking at. All right, so give me 20 minutes and I'll be right back. All right, guys, it has been 20 minutes. If my voice is a little low, it's because I don't want to wake the baby boy up. But anyways, it has been 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off and see what our results look like. Are you ready for the big reveal? I'm just kidding. All right, so here we go. So I'm just wiping it off. This is what I'm getting when I wipe it off. And you don't want to do too much to where like you wipe off the product. You just want it like to where it's not, you know. But yeah, this is what we are looking at, guys. This is what we are looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Sometimes it's a little rough, so I'll just be careful. That's how we are looking, guys. Like, this is it. This is the finished look. Let me know if you guys like it. If y'all really want to elevate the look just a little bit more, I have this NYX Control Freak, and it is bomb.com. Just like pull your look together. And yeah, that is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys try it and let me know what you guys think. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, y'all. Oh, what is this? Sorry. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, y'all, and let me know what you think. I really love it. I love doing this. I do this about every week. If y'all want, I can give you an update, but it's kind of low-key like an update because I've done it. But I feel like doing it this way, it has came out even better than before. But yeah, I don't know if there's a way to zoom in, but this is the look, guys. This is the look. I love it. It is super cute. I'm just gonna do this so y'all can focus on these. But yes, guys, it is super cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. See, I keep looking at my brow. This is crazy. Like, this is legit. This is all me. Like, someone said, did I fill in my brows? No, sis. And you know, this is a perfect look for like, you want to leave the house, like you don't want to, yeah, you want to leave the house just as you are and probably like put a little bit mascara. So yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being consistent with me and just hanging on in there despite running up them views. Keep running up them views, guys. Thank you so much. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.